Let's graph the following function over 2 periods by hand and show in T-chart along the graph that has labels on tick marks. So we got y is equal to 4 cosecant of pi x. Now our b is whatever number is in front of our x, so b is pi. Our period will be 2 pi over b. So we'll have 2 pi over pi, or 2. Okay. So we'll have 0 here, and we have our period down here, which is 2. We have half our period halfway in between, which is 1. We got 1/4 of our period. 1/4 times 2 is 2/4 or 1/2. And we'll have 3/4 of our period right here. 3/4 times 2 gives us 6/4 or 3/2. Now we're going to plug each one of those in to our function. So I'm going to have 4 cosecant and then pi times 0, which gives us 4 cosecant pi. Now if it throws you to have it in terms of cosecant, then rewrite it in terms of sine, because you know cosecant's 1 over sine. So we got 4 over sine pi. Now at sine, not pi. Let's try it again. I go to bed, I guess. Pi times 0 is 0. Okay, sine of 0. Sine is our y value, and at 0, that's equal to 0. So this is undefined. And then I got 4 cosecant pi times 1/2, which gives us 4 cosecant of pi over 2. And again, I could put that in terms of sine if I need to think of it that way. So this is sine pi over 2. So I'm going around my unicircle. That's equal to 1. So we'll have 4 over 1, or 4. Now, this next one, we're going to have 4 cosecant pi times 1. Gives me 4 cosecant pi. And I'll rewrite the cosecant pi as 1 over sine pi. And sine pi is equal to 0, which is undefined. And then we got 4 cosecant pi times 3/2, which gives us 4 cosecant 3 pi over 2, which gives us 4 over sine 3 pi over 2, which is equal to -1. So that'd give us -4. And we have 4 cosecant pi times 2, which is 4 cosecant 2 pi, which if I put that as 4 over sine 2 pi, I'm going to get 4 over 0, which is back to undefined. So that's our T-chart. Okay, so let's go ahead and graph this. Period's going up to 2. And so that's 2. And this will be 1. And this will be 1/2. And this will be 3/2. Now if that distance is 2, it's going up to 4. So that would be about 2 there. This would be about 4. You need to put a point there. That's 4. And then going down, distance there is about 4, so this is approximately -4 here. Okay. At 0, it's undefined, which means I put little dots here indicate that's an asymptote. My next one, I got 1/2 4, which is this point here. And then at 1, it's undefined. And then at 3/2, it's -4, which is right here. And then at 2, it's undefined. Okay, so I know it comes down, touches at this point, and goes back up, because that's the nature of the graph. And same thing down here. It's coming up, touching at this point, and then coming back down forever. And as this repeats, you get something like that. And then I'm eyeballing it here. Something like that. And that would be our graph.